mounted that dude.
I'm gonna teabag him now.
Well, you know, that would be a lot more impressive if you were at 69 teabagging.
No, this is too sexy.
Too sexy.
Are they doing grease?
I think I figured out the video camera function. I think.
Oh, shit.
Ooh. You can switch it back and forth.
I can.
Yeah.
Just like your sexuality.
Shot you in the face with that pistol.
That's a good one.
Holy shit.
Just like his what?
You didn't hear it?
Better move.
Look at him dying. He's having a seizure.
Oh,
Oh, he put down the controller. He's dying. Look at his ear.
yeah. Why can't he die, man? Like his head was totally off in his body.
Look at that. Look at it.
That is John's focus in the game. It's what he plays for.
How many dicks can I find in Metal Gear?
He's like, what? Look at the shadow. That tells you how big it is.
That shadow isn't Snake. It's Bootsy's dick.
The stress is just going up.
It's so big he has to go to the hospital because of risk of heart attack whenever he gets an erection. Everybody shut up! I have an erection.
But really, how is your
It only
stress at
happens about
45% already?
Because he's been looking at